Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So specifically we're going to demonstrate on a 2012 Ford F-150 that we have specifically here, but even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes, guys. One is under the hood right here above the radiator fan, but we don't need this one. We need to find the one that is, guys, okay, the interior fuse box that's inside the truck, okay, under the dash, kind of like under the glove box, in the kick panel, in the footwell on the passenger side right there. You remove that cover, open it, and you see your fuse box looks like that. We took a picture, zoomed it, so we can show you everything in great detail. Now let's explain why you should always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse, guys, that we'll need to check for the TPMS, for the tire pressure system, guys. If you come, that's the left row right here. We'll need to come in the second row from left to right, first, second, right there. And if you come from the bottom to top, even if you have a missing fuse, you still count the spot. You have number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is known as fuse number 26. This 5M fuse in our case, that's the one for the TPMS system, guys. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.